How could you subtract mixed numbers?
You can use what you know about adding mixed numbers.
A golf ball measures about 1 and 4/6 inches across the center. What is the difference between the distances across the centers of a tennis ball and a golf ball? You can use properties of operations and the relationship between addition and subtraction to help subtract mixed numbers. What do you know? A golf ball measures 1 and 4/6 inches across the center, and a tennis ball measures 2 and 3/6 inches. What do you need to find? You need to find the difference between these lengths. Find 2 and 3/6 minus 1 and 4/6 by subtracting mixed numbers. To subtract 4/6 from 3/6, rename 2 and 3/6. Why do you need to rename 2 and 3/6 before you subtract? You need to rename 2 and 3/6 before subtracting because 3/6 is less than 4/6. 2 and 3/6 equals 2 plus 3/6. Remember, 1 is equal to 6/6. So 2 plus 3/6 equals 1 plus 6/6 plus 3/6. And since 6/6 plus 3/6 equals 9/6, 1 plus 6/6 plus 3/6 equals 1 and 9/6. Now you have enough sixths to subtract 4/6. 2 and 3/6 minus 1 and 4/6 equals 1 and 9/6 minus 1 and 4/6. And that equals 5/6. Is the answer 5/6 reasonable? Select your answer. Yes, 5/6 is reasonable because 2 and 3/6 minus 1 and 4/6 is about 2 and 1/2 minus 1 and 1/2, which equals 1. Since 5/6 is close to 1, it is reasonable. The tennis ball is 5/6 inch wider than the golf ball. Find 2 and 3/6 minus 1 and 4/6 by subtracting equivalent fractions. 2 and 3/6 equals 2 plus 3/6. Since 6/6 is the same as 1, 2 is the same as 12/6. 12/6 plus 3/6 equals 15/6. 1 and 4/6 equals 1 plus 4/6, which equals 6/6 plus 4/6, which equals 10/6. 15/6 minus 10/6 equals 5/6. You can count up to check your work. 1 and 4/6 plus 2/6 equals 2, and 2 plus 3/6 equals 2 and 3/6. 2/6 plus 3/6 equals 5/6. When counting up to check your answer, why do you add 2/6 plus 3/6? First, you add 2/6 to 1 and 4/6 to get 2. Then you add another 3/6. You add 2/6 and 3/6 to see how much you added in all. Now you know how to subtract mixed numbers.